Hello guys, so I have a 2-day trip to Miami. My best friend asked me to accompany her. Irresponsible, yes, but am I just a young girl? Also yes. I'm gonna be doing my makeup inspired by Zendaya. She did a makeup look, well, her makeup artist, Ernesto, the white one for the Odyssey premiere. The way she looked so stunning. So we're gonna try to recreate that. Just being honest. I'm gonna be going in with the NYX Jumbo Pencil. Using the Patrick Tall mats on that, putting that in the crease around here. We're going in with this like bone-ish type of color. Pretty white. Oh, wow. Wow, okay. Now we put it in the inner corner. Ooh, we're going in. And with the other like yellowish, brightish color, it's like this is more of a bone color. Oh baby, I'm crushed. It will never be love. That's why they call it a crush. Crush, crush, crush. Oh baby, I'm crushed. Just a crush. No, 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 no. Of like this little Kosas highlighter that I use, just a little glow. Sprinkle a little bit in the center. Kind of like what it gives me. This is how the eyes look. On Collins. Skyline in my makeup. That's with this moisturizer. Look at, it's almost gone. Freak with me, oh baby, oh. And I'm gonna sheer it out. It's gonna be very glowy, youthful, from within type of vibe. Road bake, I'm just gonna put like a tiny bit. I end up playing Dandelion again. Love that for me. These are the boys, they one in the same. But baby boy, this is serious. If I'm being honest, got me like, what's your wish list? You can get anything you like. I get this, sounds unserious, but baby boy, this is serious. Little concealer. My Neutrogena Hydro Boost powder. It's kind of bronzing myself up a little bit. Some Dior blush. So that's what I'm doing, is the top of the cheekbones, same as always. You know, highlight and a glow. And I'm gonna put on the bridge of the nose as well. My attitude is tattooed, that means it's permanent, so I guess we should address it, huh? Mommy scream, Papi, no mas. Run up in your shit, just me, no mas. Write your name on a bullet, make you feel special. What the freak you boys talking about? I know it's us, cause we're the only thing you talking about. This song gets me hyped. Ooh. Actually spicy like tahini. Cause I'm a singer. Too bad your ex don't do you for your. Okay guys, this is the final look. I absolutely love it. I think it came out perfect. And I feel very beautiful. But what's new?